In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a collaborative playlist on your PC or desktop. So open up your Spotify app on your desktop, tap on the plus symbol to create a new playlist. Give your playlist a name and a description if you want, and then hit save. Then there's two ways of adding a collaborator. So you can tap on this icon, or you can hit the three dots and tap on invite collaborators. This will copy the link that you need to invite your collaborators to your playlist. So we've got the link copied. We'll go into WhatsApp, and I'm going to paste this link into a chat. Now the person that I am wanting to join my playlist will need to click on this link, and that will ask them to join my playlist. I will show you how to do this on an existing playlist. So let's click on an existing playlist, tap on this icon, link is copied, go into your WhatsApp web and paste it in, and that's basically it.